Hello, it is I, Bob Ross, once again, here doing watercolor because that is what I do best and do it every single day of my life. So let's get started, shall we? If you were wondering how I became a professional at such a young age, well, it's because here we have some paper. I paid $2 for it. And then I have my watercolor set. Very professional. So today we are going to learn how to draw lavender, even though we're not drawing. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really think this through. Oh no, perfect. Just the way, sorry. So, first things first, what the professionals do. Probably by wetting their brush, and then dipping into some color. I think you're supposed to like wet the paper first, and then we're gonna make green lines and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I should. Nope, don't like that idea. Here we go. Ready for a lift off. Yeah. Oh, I like that. That's a good motion. Okay, I'm feeling that. Who needs instructions? Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, that was a thick blade of grass. Okay. Almost like you knew that this was your calling. I'm not gonna lie, this is my passion. There we go. Why is it still wet? Do I just keep going? Of course you keep going. I know what I'm talking about. Then you want to get your lavender quite soaked. In the beginning it looks better. That's okay. You know, it's our first lavender of like the day. It's super simple. You just want to dab and stuff, and it's okay if they look like purple trees. You know, that's just, yeah. Who needs tutorials? I am your tutorial. Cool. Alright, so now that we have that taken care of and you feel very motivated to continue, next we are going to water down our paper, get it really moist. Probably should have done this first. Slab it on there. Oh no. Oh. Happy accidents. Watercolor painting for beginners. I'm not a beginner, I'm advanced. So I will be back because I'm going to go wash off my brushes. Because I'm an adult. I just feel like it might be necessary to, you know, watch a video. Because even though I know what I'm doing.
Quick, and if you just relax, that's far too dark. And I'm coming down to me.
you know. That seems to solve that problem.
It would now appear that my light is going to come from that side. Okay, let's look at the greeny bits. This is the stalky bits. And I've put a bit of white. Leaf. Little spiky leaves they have. Let's just bring a few of those out there.
We're gonna do this one more time. Not that this isn't perfect or anything, but I know I can do better. One last time. This is just like a finale because I want to really show you that I'm really good at this. That's what this thing's for, to mix colors. Oh no.
So I'm going to put in some terracotta.
Wow, look at that. It just like all my friends. I have a good feeling about this one. I'm not stressed out. Alright, here we go. I think we're going to add some color to this pot. So again, just don't care about like lines and stuff, just go for it. Voila! You know, her finished picture looks a bit better, but mine is more so like for like the abstract, like, you know, like part of it. So I'm really feeling myself. Which one do you like more? This one or this one? Let me know in the comments below, and I will send these to one lucky winner. Alright, cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you learned how to paint lavender. It's pretty difficult, but I think once you like get the hang of it, like you'll be able to be as good as I am. So, alright, I'm gonna go because, yeah, bye.